second one, I should say.
And now we will check it with our
Bird!
Hello everyone, we are gonna do some COVID cooking today. So Sasha and Heidi are going to take care of a little recipe for us here. So let's turn it around on them. Hold on. Hey guys.
Hello.
So you guys have been doing some cooking for us lately, haven't you?
Yes.
What have you made for us? You made pasta bake one week, and then the next week, what did you do? Yesterday.
Barbecue.
Barbecue. That's right.
Yesterday we did barbecue.
Okay, so you guys are gonna make something for us today. What's it gonna be?
5-minute brownies.
5-minute brownies in a mug.
Oh, the microwave kind.
Microwave.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Should we get started?
Yeah.
What do you need first?
Oh yeah, apron.
All right, aprons. You guys good to go?
Yeah.
All right, let's get to it.
Alright, so let's get our ingredients.
Sugar, first ingredient. Flour. Is that white or whole wheat?
That's what.
White. Cool. Cocoa powder somewhere. Yep. Ooh, that'll be just enough for what we are doing here. Okay.
No, it won't be.
Be more than enough?
No, it won't be enough.
It won't be enough?
No.
Oh.
We have a whole bag, people.
Okay.
We need 2 tablespoons.
What are we gonna do?
Oh, wait, what is?
All right, breaking news.
We have
have
a small.
barely any cocoa powder left. So we looked up.
Substitutes.
And
Hot chocolate powder.
It does suggest that hot chocolate mix can do in a pinch. So let's keep going. You got the gathered ingredients.
yep.
What are you gonna make them in?
Cups.
Wait, mugs over here.
2. How many are we making?
4. None for the animals.
Definitely none for you. Chocolate and dogs doesn't.
And cat. Okay, so we just put in the flour, sugar, and the cocoa powder.
And now we are going to put in the salt, cinnamon, oil, and vanilla. You need to stir the dry ingredients together.
You need to stir the dry ingredients before you do the wet
Yeah.
ingredients.
Okay, so I'll get.
So,
A fork even works really well for it.
cinnamon, pinch of salt. Just that.
Very nice. That for each mug.
Yep. And honey, cinnamon. Pinch of cinnamon.
A pinch. Okay, so just a little.
Alright, so now we're gonna stir.
You stir 2 and I stir.
Yeah.
You take it from the bottom and go boom. And then
If
stir it all around. It looks
you
like the
look-
Milky Way.
If you want to look up a recipe, you just look up 5-minute brownies and then it should come up right then.
Not hard. It's really simple.
Except for the stirring part, I guess. And so now we need to put in 2 tablespoons of canola oil or vegetable oil or melted butter. We're doing vegetable oil. And then you need to put in 1/8 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So now it is 1/8
Vanilla
of a
time.
teaspoon of vanilla extract.
And I have a tip for the vanilla. It smells good, but you don't want to eat it.
Now we are going to stir it. You want to kind of stir them quite fast.
Quite fast and
Oh, we forgot water.
Oh, you gotta add water.
We need water. So, 1/4 cup of water.
in each.
Yeah, in each.
I'm gonna eat all 4.
Alright, now we need to stir.
Quick.
How's the taste test?
Delicious. Oh, if I didn't mention, this is COVID cooking.
Yeah.
So we gotta go out the front door to your own house workers with our pots and pans. So we're gonna make whipped cream and put them in the microwave when we go back.
5 minutes later.
Okay, we're back, and this delicious. The sugar helps froth up, and now we're gonna click it down,
Lock it.
lock it. I'll be back.
I can already see it frothing.
Find it
So, we are going to
one at a time.
yeah, one at a time
How much time?
for 1 minute 45 seconds.
1:45 and start.
That looks pretty good. Oh, still not off yet. All right, that looks pretty good.
This is the finished product.
Where's the next one?
All right, so we're gonna squeeze our whipping cream through this. We're gonna cut a hole in it, and then I guess we squeeze it. Oh, there's the one done.
I'm gonna help with this step because this is a bit of a messy one. Get the bag over the bowl, please. Make an opening big enough to actually get whipped cream in.
Okay.
Lift it up out of the whipped cream. This is going poorly so far.
Poorly.
Rather poorly, darling.
Okay, they're all done.
Oh, miss. Next, piping it in was pointless. Absolutely pointless. This bag did not work out.
It's average.
Not even average, it's terrible. There's no presentation to this whatsoever.
Okay, you guys, if you try this at home,
Don't bother.
don't bother doing the piping bag. It ain't working. So, we finished the whipping cream. Disaster.
It'll
Don't
taste good
try
though.
it at
It'll
home.
taste good.
It'll taste good, but
What do you do now? Voila.
Voila.
Let's get the product shot.
That's it for COVID cooking.
Was that all whipped cream? Did you get any brownie in there whatsoever?
I did. I
That
picked the
was
edge.
good.
Turn it well?